Hello, hope you are well. So now I am going to start this. So just I need confirm I have access of a CRM workspace in this my contact board. So like do you want to contact company type, email, location, number, deal, industry, etc. So just I confirm that in Apollo, which data do you want transfer from Apollo to Monday with the help of Zapier. Like maybe you want to this in people section like name, job title, company, email, phone, action. This maybe you want to this. Uh, I have not confirmed. You just confirm me. Like here's the multiple option like companies, list, sequence, email, call, etc. Maybe people this section do you want to transfer from Apollo to Monday? Just confirm this. Then I'm going to start. Thank you.